Okay, thanks, Sharon. Calpoly has an idea that's out of this world, how to build a better satellite. Now this 2.5-year mission is about to blast off. Do you understand this?
Checking the impedance matching from the transceiver to the RF PCB and then from the RF PCB to the antenna.
What about this?
Try to remove the conformal coating here, I suppose, and just not have fully functional RF.
You see, all you really have to understand is that this is a first for Calpoly.
This is CP1, Calpoly's first satellite ever to be built.
That's right, a satellite that will be launched into space. In this case, it will test a sun sensor from a company on the East Coast.
It's going to burn off the fishing line, and these are, which are attached, are just going to spring out and become the right size antenna so that we can listen to it from the ground.
Calpoly and Stanford are working with about 15 other universities around the world, each one building a different satellite.
For our students as an educational project, I think it could change the way we train people in the space business.
Each satellite fits in the palm of your hand, 4 inches on each side, weighing a little over 2 pounds. It's known as a pico satellite, very small. They have to be that size to fit in something else Calpoly is building, the P-Pod.
It stands for Pico-Satellite Orbital Deployer.
It's basically a jack-in-the-box device that pops the satellites out of the rocket into space. They'll be carried on board a recycled Russian ICBM. The scheduled launch date is spring of next year. For the students who worked on this, it's one project that's far out.
I kind of play this movie in my mind of us in the ground station talking to the satellite and receiving data, and just that joy that I would feel if that, if that were to be successful. That's what keeps me motivated, keeps me working, coming here every day and working on this project.
They are very excited. The crew will actually travel to Russia to launch the satellites. Cost of the mission, about $30,000, which is small compared to commercial or military satellites.
Incredible. I bet there'll be some jobs waiting for those students when they graduate.
Oh, yeah, you can bet on it.